Hello everyone, it's Adam here. These are hopefully my next favorite straps. I met these guys at the MOA rally, and some other friends told them that they should give me a discount for this product review, and then told me, hey, you should drop by the green chili booth because I told them that they should give you a discount. I didn't do that. I went online, and when I got home I ordered them for full price because I'm not that kind of person. Plus it's only going to be like 2,000 of you that watch this. It's not enough to really move the needle very much. So these are the green chili adventure gear. This is their logo. Got a new sticker for the panniers, which is awesome. And these are handmade in the USA by like the guy's stepmom or something. They're in South Carolina or North Carolina. Oh my God, that's strong. And really, what they've done is so when you have rock straps, the genius part of the rock strap is this part here. That's on the large model, that's medium size, about 6 inches long. You've also got a smaller model too, and it stretches. It's strong. These are the de facto standard for motorcycle straps. They're safer than Bungees. They don't wear out as quick as Bungees. These are made in China. You can get these for about 15 to 20 bucks a set. And the resellers I have worked with do an amazing job of honoring replacements, even right after the factory warranty ends. So I have had these straps fail, generally at the seams here, or the seams here. The rest of the strap is just a standard sort of like, you've got a little loop down here, which loops into whatever rack you're mounting these to. I'm guessing green chili follows the exact same protocol, but when you look at their primary straps side by side, green chili looks fine from the front, but when you turn them sideways on top of each other, you can see how much more serious these are. So they're about 30% thicker than the rock straps, and they feel it. I mean, there are much thicker seams. You've got a little bit wider. When you look at the way these are actually at the end here, you've got that sort of configuration. I don't know, straps. And then you've got this configuration for the rock straps. And the thread itself is a little bit thicker with the green chili strap. And you can see, again, the thickness that these come through in the end here. So, and I think they use these same straps for the toe setup. So instead of that long bit on the rock strap, you've got a much shorter bit here that's stretchy. Same kind of seam, and then you've got these the locking bits here. So instead of, and the last area my rock straps have failed has been the actual clip itself. What I've had problems with one or both of these cracking right here. It still will lock with just that one side, but it's a risky endeavor. So what they've done is they've decided to use a thicker rope and rely on these, which is the same way that Moscow will lock things down. So these have been proven to be pretty strong. I'm going to put these on the bike and show you what they look like on the motorcycle. If you look on the end straps, so the sorry, it's a chicken there making some noise. The rock straps, they have this kind of overhang here that's sewn together. And the actual, the entire seam is, the entire cord is straight. What I mean by that is it all kind of falls into place and falls in nicely. Whereas the green chili adventure straps, you'll see here that this side falls into place nicely, wraps around, but this side does not. It kind of goes in a alternate pattern. See how it crisscrosses there? On this one, you don't really get that crisscross. You get just a straight flat fall. Obviously this is much thicker. This extends beyond where the rope actually connects to. This does, but only by a smaller margin. On the other side, terminated these kind of at a low location. Same thing, the rock strap is right here. The green chili is on the right here. So even though this actually, in my opinion, seems like a nice safety feature, this is covering up the base of the seam for the stretchy bit. So if you get this caught on something, that part underneath is actually protected by this, which I think is really cool. So let's tighten them up. So let's tighten the rock strap up, pull this up, pull the green chili strap up, and now we have just this core bit here. We can pull this up. We want to have less wear and tear. We can actually squeeze this. Pull that up. I would say that given the same kind of pull, that the rock strap actually is a little bit tighter than the green chili. So it actually is a little bit more, serious. But I kind of like how this is protected in here. Less to wear out, but then also less components to really hold on for dear life. My analysis on this is both rock straps and the green chili straps kind of have their pros and cons. What I'm going to do, for the sake of you all, is I'm going to start using the green chili straps as my primary straps for holding my dry bag to the back of the bike, and then I'll keep one set of rock straps in the bike, and we can if this fails, then we'll just go out of the rock straps. For loosening up, it's actually really nice. You just hit this, kind of falls right down. For the rock strap, you gotta do that number. So it's far easier to use the green chili. These are the Mondos, I think. So yeah, that's my my green chili review. Strap is awesome. Will it outpace the awesome rock strap stretchy thing? Well, only time will tell.